In this video, we're going to go into the new human template, okay? So we're not only moving into the new earth, but the human template is changing. The blueprint for the human design is upgrading. We are evolving, okay? So I'm going into this, how this is working, how you can confirm you're evolving into this new template, how it works, etc. So we're just going to go into this, how the Jedi school is involved and how the Diamond Sun body is involved. Okay, so the Diamond Sun body and the Jedi path is literally about building a new evolved human template. This rewrites the DNA and rebuilds the human body to reach the apex human state. Okay, so the path requires shifting allegiance away from the existing human template and fully following a higher order pattern. As that new template stabilizes, it becomes coherent and transmissible through the field, allowing others to resonate with and align to it. So what happens with the Diamond Sun body activating, we are able to rewrite the coding of the physical body. So it's not something that just solar energy can come in, and if you're aligned and harmonized, your body changes and evolves. That is part of it. And what's happening now because of the solar cycle is we are more susceptible to change. And that change is either going to evolve you or devolve the DNA. Okay, so this is up to the physical body, the light body structure, your soul evolution and alignment, whether you're engaging with the higher path or the lower path, truth, clarity, and light, or distortions and darkness. Okay, so all of those play a role, and the sun itself is coming in and actually rewriting the genetic code of the DNA. Okay, if your field is distorted, then the DNA cannot fully access these higher frequencies. Okay, so the Diamond Sun activation allows the solar codes to come in and rewrite the DNA to the evolved state. But we have to do this in body. So we have to do the work on ourselves, the alignment, the structure. We have to build the light body structure, the solar logos. And then once we stabilize that, then the coding can permeate the body, okay? The Diamond Sun body holds that coding for the evolved human template. So when people hold the Diamond Sun body, everywhere they go, people are able to absorb and shift their energy with the Diamond Sun body. So they have to be able to phase lock with it or harmonize with it. Okay, so we're going to go into this a little more. So we're rewriting the template by building the Diamond Sun body and activating it both within the field and the body. And I asked how this works. Okay, so the new template forms through controlled phased integration, followed by a separation from the old structural pattern. The body then rewrites itself through consistent energetic nourishment, repeated exposure to the coherent Diamond Sun body field until it becomes the dominant organizing pattern. So once you activate the Diamond Sun body in the field, then that saturates into the physical body. That same structure, the same coding actually goes into the atomic cellular structure, and the DNA rewrites everything, and then the evolutionary process starts on the physical body. So when you're around people with a Diamond Sun body, then that coding will actually permeate your body and your field if you can phase lock with it. Okay, if you can't phase lock with it, most likely what's happening is you will be repelled by those people with a Diamond Sun body because it will feel too intense. Okay, so how does the prep school initiate people into the early level activation? Initiation occurs through brief exposure to higher frequency states, followed by immediate descent into embodiment. From there, the focus is on refining structure, coherence, and stability so the system can begin holding the template in a controlled way. So the prep school is early phase stabilization of the diamond sun body, the healing, the understanding the field, the mastery steps. Okay, it's a huge initiation. So if you cannot move through the prep school, then you won't be able to do the mastery school, which is learning how to build blueprints, etc. I'll go into here now. So and it's pretty free form, self-directed, self-study, open format, so that you have to be self-motivated to do the work, to move through it, to grow and evolve, so that when you get to the mastery school, you can do that on your own too. Very, very few people are going to move through and fully activate the diamond sun, but many, many people will be able to live within the new normal, which is an evolved human template. Okay, so how does the mastery school train the activation of the diamond sun body, as well as how to build blueprints for the new earth and the new human? Training emphasizes precise, small-scale stabilization of the diamond sun body in targeted, accurate interaction with energetic structures. Full coherence is required before expansion, leading into collective field alignment and shared blueprint creation. Okay, so I went into that a little bit. Essentially, the mastery school, we teach you about how to build structures with electric, magnetic, plasmic, and dielectric energies, how to use your consciousness in an evolved state, how to work with the fields, how to work with sacred geometry and color ranges, so frequency ranges, how to heal through that. We also have a lot of practices to help you activate the diamond sun body, understand the diamond sun body, and work with it, okay, all the way up through the 36, 48, 64, and 144 point Merkaba structures, and then the advanced light body states, okay? So once someone has the diamond sun body activated, how does it code others? The diamond sun body functions as a radiant, coherent field that others naturally respond to. It causes a reorganization and amplification of their internal structure, leading those who align into progressive elevation and integration. So it is basically osmosis. So you're around somebody with a field. That field, if you're acceptant of it and you can phase lock with it, it will actually code your field, and your body doesn't actually recode into the evolved state until the diamond sun body fully activates, and or you do enough healing that you start integrating this slow, steady evolution, okay? So the temple spaces for those that graduate and can hold the diamond sun body, these are healing centers. These will help reinforce the human template. And I asked, how will this work? The temple spaces hold a continuous high coherence field that initiates immediate restructuring upon entry into the temple. It surfaces and releases any distortions in the field and repatterns the core structure of individuals' fields that go in there. They act as high capacity containers where the new template stabilizes through repeated exposure. Okay, so the temples are places that once enough people have the diamond sun body activated, we have at least one temple space built. People can go in and their fields will start structuring and stabilizing and clearing and healing. And when these are global, then people will have access to these frequencies at any point, which will help us to not go back into the inverted energies. Okay, so what will humanity look like after this full evolution happens? So what will be the new norm was the question I asked. Humanity becomes structurally reinforced and capable of holding higher energy as a baseline, having moved through prior structural limits. The result is a collective state of natural coherence, resonance, and ease in connection. So the new normal will be coherence, alignment. People will be able to hold higher frequencies without fracturing. Okay, we won't have these distorted, fractured personalities. Relationships will get better. People will be able to be in communion and relationship in a peaceful, honest, coherent way where we're not fighting and at, each other's throats all the time like we're always seeing now. Okay, it will be a coherent civilization because everyone will have that baseline, the foundational baseline of alignment, heart expansion, and true connection to source energy. Okay, that's the new normal. Most people will do that. Advanced abilities will come online. People will be more connected to spirit, to the divine, intuition, clear senses. Those types of things will be normal. We're already seeing that now. Okay, those that have the diamond sun body activated, these people will be anchors. Okay, they will be temple holders and leaders of the new template. So I asked specifically what these individuals will look like if they have the diamond sun body activated and locked in. So you can have the diamond sun body activated but not have it locked in. When it locks in your potential, your power galactically, planetary, with a collective, universally, that energy is amplified a millionfold. Okay, so just having the diamond sun body activated, it gives you a lot of potential and power, but not until it's fully locked. Okay, this is where a lot of people have traumas and woundings around ascension, is because during Atlantis, people that had the diamond sun body phase locked used force, and it created the destruction of a civilization. That's not the first time it's happened. Okay, so if people in that state become inverted, they use it with force, it will have catastrophic results. Okay, so that's why we go through all of this prep and work with the prep school and the mastery school, so you understand your intuition, your alignment, right versus wrong, so you're able to make good decisions. You understand the potency and the power of it. And you have to move through all of this stuff before you step into activation to make sure you're prepared to deal with it and work with it from alignment and integrity. And if you're not, those people will fall out on the path. Okay, so the diamond sun body represents a new human template that is built through phased integration, structural separation from the old system, and consistent energetic nourishment. Early stage focus on exposure and stabilization, while advanced training develops precision, structural control, and blueprint interaction. So you're able to build blueprints, build spiritual structures, stabilize fields, build nested fields. These are the divine architects of the cosmos. Okay, you also have potential to shift realities with your mind and your heart, control the weather, amplify, heal, all sorts of things. You can work with the elements, nature, the ocean, all of it. Okay, nothing's really excluded from that. Okay, once stabilized, the diamond sun body becomes a radiant field that reorganizes other systems through resonance, supported by temple environments that accelerate and reinforce embodiment. This leads to a new human baseline of structural stability, coherence, and natural resonance, with fully activated individuals serving as precise, stable anchors of the complete template. So these individuals will hold the template, they work through harmonic, and they're able to access and shift fields universally, even possibly cosmically, even though that's not needed, with this template. Okay. And I guess that's it for that. So we're essentially building the evolutionary template for the new human. Okay, and this template is a completely different template than the old one. Not that we're not changing that much, but people that move onto this new human trajectory, this more evolved template, have to completely separate from the old template. That cannot be a part of the shift. Okay, it's a complete rewrite, a completely different thing that we're stepping into, and that's why we're seeing this division. Those that cannot step onto this higher trajectory with the new template, the new morality codes, the new alignment, the new purity, they will stay in the old template, but they will not be able to evolve onto this higher timeline. Okay, so we're seeing that a lot here. And this is going to happen progressively. People aren't going to all of a sudden wake up and be in the diamond sun body. Everyone, depending on their level of embodiment, coherence, you're still going to have the spiritual or human experience, and you're still going to have the distortions in the field, etc., until you lock in the diamond sun body structure. And so it's going to be a smooth path upward, but it's something to look forward to, because this new template will change the structure of collective experience on the planet. Okay, so how this works is we have to be in body, those that are building this and working with the diamond sun body, be in body, because it can't be done through spiritual energies or entities. Those beings that are rebuilding this, which is the diamond sun, have to be in the body, understand how it works, understand the physics of it, how to stabilize, how to teach it, and how to maintain it. Okay, otherwise it wouldn't happen. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Hope that was helpful. Sending so much love.